Just clap your hands, monkey. Clap your hands. Do it. Ready? Catch. Ready? Oh, so close. Tell her, throw it better. Oh, he did it the first time. Ready? You go, monkey. Do it again. Oh, give me them peanuts. I cannot believe you caught it that time. That was so funny. Okay, monkey. Here you go. Oh. Poor little guy. Yeah! He got it! Hooray! That looks scary. Good job, monkey. He caught his peanut. Good job, monkey.